Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. Color, Neo Red and Blue. Weight, 7.5 ounces per paddle. Category, Beginner Pickleball Paddle Set. If you're just getting into pickleball and want a ready-to-play set for 2 people, the Selkirk Sport SLK Neo Bundle is worth a closer look. This set includes 2 lightweight paddles designed with beginners in mind. Each paddle weighs about 7.5 ounces, which gives you a nice balance between easy handling and enough stability for everyday play. The fiberglass face is built to provide a responsive feel and help with ball control, whether you're playing indoors or outdoors. One feature that stands out is the SX3 honeycomb core. It provides a larger sweet spot, which can be helpful when your contact with the ball isn't perfectly centered. The core is also designed to soften the feel of each hit, making the paddles more comfortable to use. The cushioned grip is another practical touch. With a 4.25-inch grip circumference, it feels designed for comfortable handling while helping reduce some hand fatigue during longer games. The main limitation is that these are beginner-focused paddles, so more advanced players looking for highly specialized tournament-level performance may want something more performance-oriented. Overall, this Selkirk SLK Neo set looks like a solid choice for beginners, families, or anyone who wants 2 comfortable lightweight paddles to start playing pickleball. Number 4. JoncAye Pickleball Paddles Set. Color, Blue. Weight, 8 ounces per paddle. Category, Pickleball Paddle Set. Looking for a pickleball set that lets the whole family join in? The JoncAye Blitz set is designed to give beginners and intermediate players almost everything they need to start playing. The standout feature here is the complete package. Depending on the selected version, you can get multiple fiberglass paddles, indoor and outdoor pickleballs, grip tapes, and a carrying bag. That makes this set especially convenient for families or groups of friends who want to play together without buying every accessory separately. Each paddle weighs around 8 ounces, offering a practical balance between easy swinging and solid control. The fiberglass surface is designed to provide a responsive feel, while the large sweet spot can be helpful for newer players who are still working on consistent contact. The cushioned, sweat-wicking grip is another nice touch. Its 4.25-inch circumference should feel comfortable for many players, and the extra grip tapes provide replacements over time. Inside, the polypropylene honeycomb core is designed to produce a quieter feel than traditional Nomex core paddles. The main thing to consider is that this is a value-focused complete set, so advanced players seeking highly specialized performance may eventually want more premium individual paddles. Overall, the JoncAye Blitz set looks like a practical choice for beginners, families, and casual intermediate players who want a convenient all-in-one pickleball package. Number 3. VUFOXT Pickleball Paddles Set. Color, Blue. Weight, 7.8 ounces per paddle. Category, Pickleball Paddle Set. For players who want a pickleball paddle with a little more focus on spin and control, this VUFOXT set brings some interesting features to the court. The paddle uses a raw carbon and fiberglass surface with a textured design intended to help players manage spin and ball direction. That can be useful during serves, dinks, and quick exchanges where controlling the ball matters just as much as hitting it hard. Inside, the 14mm polypropylene honeycomb core is designed to provide a combination of power and a responsive feel. The wider 7.9-inch face also creates a larger contact area, which can be helpful for beginners and developing players who are still working on consistency. At around 7.8 ounces per paddle, the weight aims for a middle ground between maneuverability and power. The aerodynamic frame is designed to reduce air resistance, while the cushioned perforated grip helps with comfort and sweat management during longer sessions. One thing to keep in mind is the 4.88-inch grip circumference, which may feel larger than ideal for players who prefer a smaller handle. Overall, this VUFOXT paddle set looks like a versatile option for players at different skill levels, especially those who want a wide hitting surface, spin-focused design, and a balanced feel for both training and regular games. Number 2. VUFOXT Pickleball Paddles Set. Color, Vibrant sporty colors. Weight, 7.5 to 7.9 ounces per paddle. Category: Pickleball Paddle Set. A good pickleball starter set should make it easy to get on the court, and that is exactly where this JoncAye paddle set focuses its attention. The package includes 2 fiberglass paddles, 2 indoor balls, 2 outdoor balls, and a carrying bag, so you have the basic equipment needed for playing with a partner. That makes it a convenient option for beginners or intermediate players who want a complete setup instead of buying everything separately. Each paddle weighs between 7.5 and 7.9 ounces, keeping the design relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver. The fiberglass surface works with a honeycomb polymer core to provide a balanced combination of control and playability. The 15.7 by 7.8 inch paddle face also gives players a useful hitting area for everyday games. The handle is designed with a soft, ventilated grip that helps manage sweat and reduce slipping. An edge guard adds extra protection around the paddle, which is useful during regular court use. The 10mm construction is relatively slim, so players looking specifically for a thicker paddle with maximum power may prefer another design. Overall, this JoncAye set looks like a practical choice for beginners and intermediate players who want a lightweight, USAPI-approved paddle set with the essential accessories included. Number 1. JOOLA Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. Color: Blue Lightning. Weight: 2 pounds per set. Category: Beginner Pickleball Paddle Set. If you want to introduce someone to pickleball, a complete 2-paddle set can be a much easier way to get started. The JOOLA Blue Lightning set is built around that simple idea. Inside the package, you get 2 paddles, 2 indoor pickleballs, 2 outdoor pickleballs, and a carrying case. So, for casual games with a friend or family member, the basic equipment is already included. The paddles use a reinforced fiberglass surface paired with honeycomb core technology. This combination is designed to provide a larger sweet spot while helping reduce vibration during contact. For beginners, that can make the paddle feel more forgiving when every shot doesn't land perfectly in the center. The lightweight construction also makes the paddles easier to handle, especially for newer players who are still developing their swing and control. The 4.5-inch grip is worth considering though, since players with smaller hands may prefer a narrower handle. One limitation is that this is clearly aimed at beginners, so experienced players looking for highly advanced performance features may eventually want a more specialized paddle. Overall, the JOOLA Blue Lightning set looks like a convenient and beginner-friendly package for casual pickleball games, especially when you want 2 paddles and the essential balls ready in one kit.